Learn how to measure for your new country curtains. To get started, you'll need 3 tools: a metal measuring tape, a notebook, and a pencil. First, measure your curtain width from bracket to bracket. For best fullness, order curtain pair widths that are 1.5 to 2 times the width of the window. For wider windows, order an extra pair of regular curtains to get the fullness you need. Next, measure your curtain length from rod pocket to your desired length. The overall curtain length is a personal preference. You can adjust your rod placement to get the bottom of the curtain to fall where you want, whether it's the windowsill, apron, the top of the floor's baseboard, or the floor. Remember, this is your ordering width and length, so please measure twice for accuracy and write down your measurements. Country Curtains, making homes beautiful for 60 years and always here to help. Call 800-456-0321, shop countrycurtains.com, or visit a store near you.